Hello dear students, today we all are here to discuss the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas, and here today we are with exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 is based on the concept of polygon and curves. Curves are a very simple concepts which you have studied in a previous classes also. So let us first know about what are curves actually. आपको याद होगा हम छोटे बच्चे जितने भी छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उन जनरली उन बच्चों को डूडलिंग करना बहुत पसंद होता है. नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग व्हाट इज डूडलिंग एक्चुअली. आप सभी लोगों ने जनरली मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ने अपनी अपनी घर की जो दीवारें हैं वो अपने बचपन में रंगी होंगी. रंगी होने का मतलब होता है आपने देखा होगा आपके घरों की दीवारें जो होती हैं आपके जो छोटे बेबीज लोग होते हैं छोटे भाई बहन होते हैं वो लोग क्या करते हैं. Sometimes they write like this on your wall, sometimes they do like this, sometimes they do like this, sometimes they do it like this. So they are having the habit of doodling on the wall. This is a very common problem in kids. Okay, kids who are studying in class 1 class 2, because उनको आदत होती है कुछ ना कुछ लिखने की उनके वॉल पे. And these doodlings are only called curves. Curved, most of the student think from the junior classes only, they think that curve means not a straight line. But beta ऐसा नहीं होता है. Curve का मतलब होता है you draw any of the doodling part. किसी भी प्रकार का अगर आप doodling करते हो using pencil, all are curve only. Whether you draw a straight line, whether you draw a slanting line, or whether you draw a zigzag line, whether you draw a circle, whether you draw a oval, these all are curves only. ये सारे के सारे बेटा कर्व्स के एग्जांपल है. ठीक है, जब भी हम किसी भी टाइप की डूडलिंग करते हैं, डूडलिंग का मतलब होता है हमने पेन उठाया और पेन उठाने के बाद हमारे मन में जो आया हमने वो ड्रॉ कर दिया. ये सारी चीजें कर्व के अंदर आती हैं. ठीक है, अब कर्व जो होते हैं वो दो टाइप से कैटेगराइज होते हैं. There are two types of category now. So which kind of category I am talking about? Categories are of simple curve and complex curve. Simple या बोल सकते हो complex curve. मतलब now let's see what are simple, what are complex curves. Now whenever you talk about simple curve, you should always understand कि suppose आपने पेंसिल ली और आपने ड्राइंग शुरू की. ठीक है, आपने सपोज मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ आपसे सिंपल कर्व की. सपोज आपने पेंसिल ली और आपने ड्राइंग स्टार्ट की. सो नाउ यू हैव स्टार्टेड ड्राइंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड यू हैव टेकन लाइक दिस वे एंड यू हैव ड्रॉन लाइक दिस. ठीक है, नाउ जब आप इस तरीके की ड्राइंग बनाते हो तो आपने देखा कि इस कर्व ने जब ड्राइंग चालू की आपने तो इस कर्व ने खुद अपने आप को ही कट करते हुए ये कर्व निकल गया. ठीक है, अपने आपकी ड्राइंग को ही इसने कट कर दिया. वेयर एज if I draw another one, like for example like this, I have drawn like this one now. ठीक है, now if you see this one or if you see this one, you will find this figure is cutting itself only. ये अपने आप को खुद ही कट कर रहा है. बट अगर आप इसको देखते हो ये अपने आप को कट नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है, so remember if the curve which you have made, or you can call it the drawing which you have made, it cuts itself only. अगर अब कर्व जो है वो खुद से अपने आप को कट कर देता है तो that means it is not simple. Simple means a curve which does not intersect itself. Intersect का मतलब होता है बेटा अपने आप को खुद कट कर देना, है ना. intersect का मतलब होता है कट करना. तो यहाँ अपने आप को कट नहीं करना चाहिए. Now let me show you some examples of simple curve. Now look at here. Simple curve means a curve which does not intersect itself. Okay, now let me show you some examples of simple curves. Simple curves, you can call it like this, you can call it like this, you can call it like this. These all are simple curve only. Now simple curves are defined as two types. Okay, now which two types beta? There are two types of simple curve. One is simple open curve, another one is simple closed curve. अब आपको नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा होगा ओपन और क्लोज. Now let me explain it to you. What do you understand by the word open curve and closed curve? Now let us understand about it. First of all, I am talking about open, and then I will tell you about closed curve. When you talk about open curve means the curves which are open are called open curve. The curve which are closed curve are called closed curve. Now let me tell you, you must be telling मैम ने तो वही बोल दिया जो लिखा है. But let me explain it to you. For example, आपने यहाँ से कर्व बनाना चालू किया, ठीक है? This is your point. I am giving the name as A. ठीक है? आपको पता है हम point को नाम दे सकते हैं, तो we will give the name as point A. Now you started drawing from here and you have drawn like this and आपने यहाँ पर जाकर एंड कर दिया. ओके, नाउ जैसे ही आपने एंड किया, आपने इस एंड पॉइंट को नाम दे दिया बी. ओके, नाउ यू सी from the point where you have started, it was point A. From the till the point where you have ended, that is point B. And A and B are not joined together. It means you can see we have the space coming out or going in also. It means it is obviously visible that it is not closed, it is open here. Okay, now look at here the another example for the closed one. Closed one means if suppose you have started from here, that was point A only, और आपने यहाँ से शुरू किया और आपने आने के बाद इसको एंड किया यहाँ पे, and that was point B जहाँ पर आपने उसको एंड किया. Now you can see that point A and point B both are exactly one onto another. It means अगर आप उसको खुद ही गौर से देखोगे, then you will find out that yes ma'am, it is closed. There is no space of coming out or there is no space of going in. Okay, so remember when you talk about closed one, there is no space of coming out or not space of coming in. And in other language, you can also call it like this, that the starting point of the drawing and also the ending point of the drawing should be same in closed curve. When you talk about open, it should be different. It should be different means जिस पॉइंट से आपने स्टार्ट किया था और जिस पॉइंट पे आप एंड कर रहे हैं, वो दोनों एक ही जगह पर नहीं होते हैं. Then you are having open curve. And when you have closed curve, both are exactly onto one place only. Now let me show you some examples of simple closed curve. Now let's talk about simple closed curve. So I'm talking about simple closed curve. So when you talk about, again, let's move ahead one by one. You are talking about simple, you are talking about closed, and also you should be having the curve. तो कर्व का मतलब तो हो गया बेटा कोई भी किसी भी टाइप की ड्राइंग. क्लोज्ड का मतलब आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो भी आप कर्व ले रहे हो वो उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट जहां से आपने ड्राइंग शुरू की है एंड जहां पर आपने एंड किया है वो दोनों एक ही पॉइंट पर होना चाहिए. सो दैट मीन्स पॉइंट आप जो भी कर्व लेते हो वो क्लोज्ड होना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग, सिंपल होना चाहिए. सिंपल का मतलब ये होता है दैट द कर्व विच यू आर मेकिंग, इट शुड नॉट कट इटसेल्फ. खुद से अपने आप को ना कट कर दे कहीं, आपको ये ध्यान देना होता है. ठीक है, so it should be simple as well, it should be closed also, it should be curve also. Now let's see some examples of it. I will tell you very simple examples of curve. This is one curve, simple, closed and curve as well. Now let's understand with the help of second example, simple closed curve. Another one, simple closed curve. These all are the examples of simple closed curve. There can be more examples also of simple closed curve, depend on you how you want to make it. Let me draw it inside this figure. Now you can see this is also a simple closed curve. This is also a simple closed curve. Okay, so you can see we have drawn here 5 different examples to show which are the figures can be called as simple closed curve. Okay, so always remember, simple means if you talk about simple curve, that means a curve which should not cut itself. ऐसा कर्व जो खुद अपने आप को कट नहीं करना चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल कर्व. क्लोज्ड कर्व, दैट द point from where you have started your drawing and the point on which you have stopped your drawing should be exactly same point. Okay, एक ही point से शुरू होने चाहिए और उसी point पर आकर खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. That means at that figure will be now closed figure. And when you talk about curve, तो curve तो आप समझ चुके हो, किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी type की doodling will be considered as curve. Absolutely right. So remember, here is the definition of simple closed curve. So I have told you what is actually simple closed curve. Now let us talk about the next topic, that is polygon. But before I move to polygon, I just want to ask a simple question from you all, that what do you think this is curve or not? I want to ask this question from you all. Please tell me, do you think is it a curve or not? Please think and reply to me. Confused, no? Yes, I was thinking you must be confused, but let me tell you, yes, it is a part of curve and it is a curve actually. Now you must be thinking how. Now I am telling you, beta, I am talking about curve. Curve means doodling. Now doodling तो कोई भी type की हो सकती है. Sometimes you doodle like this, sometimes you doodle like this, sometimes you doodle like this, and sometimes you doodle like this. Now doodling can be any kind of figure, you know. It can be a straight line, it can be a slanting line, it can be a horizontal line, it can be a triangle, it can be a circle, it can be any kind of doodling. So I have not given any kind of condition to your doodling. So doodling can be a straight line as well. So do not think ever that straight line is not a curve. Always remember, any kind of doodling will be considered as curve in mathematics. Okay, when you talk about mathematics, remember a straight line will also be considered as curve only. Okay, it's a kind of doodling, so this straight line will also be treated as a curve in mathematics. Okay, now let's move on to the topic which, as I have already told, that we will talk about polygon now. Now let's understand the polygon. So you must be remembering, I have told you just now about the simple closed curve. Now just relate with it, that polygon, when you talk about it, is similar to simple closed curve. Now let me tell you the definition regarding polygon. You will understand completely about polygon. Now remember, a simple closed curve made up of only, let's see the word only line segments. Now remember students, a simple closed curve which is made up of only line segments is called polygon. Okay, remember always, when you talk about polygon, it should be simple as well, it should be closed also, and it should be also made up of only line segment. ठीक है, आप जो भी पॉलीगन लेते हैं, अगर आप किसी भी पॉलीगन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो सिंपल भी होना चाहिए, इट मींस फिगर कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग, क्लोज भी होना चाहिए, मींस ओपन नहीं होना चाहिए, and it should only be made up of line segment. Now let's see some examples of polygon. So the first example of polygon is this. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Example of polygon is this also. Now example of, you can use a scale for drawing. Remember students, I don't have a scale right now. I'm drawing like that only, but remember you have to draw by using the scale only. Any kind of figure, if you are drawing in this chapter, you should be always using the scale and pencil for making it. Now, this is also the example of polygon only. So remember, polygon means, now you can see this first example, it is only made up of line segment. It is also closed. It is also a simple figure. So remember, this is a simple also, closed also, and it is only made up of line segment. So that is why it is a polygon. The same way this one. It is simple as well, closed also, and it is only made up of line segment. That is why this is polygon. The same way, this also can be considered as polygon because it is simple also, closed also, and it is only made up of line segment. Now, let me draw some figures. Now, you have to identify that these figures are polygon or not. Okay. So, let's keep an eye on the board and see that which figures are polygon and which are not. So I'm drawing the first one now. आप देखते चलिए और रिस्पॉन्ड करते चलिएगा अपने दिमाग में, yes it is a polygon or not. Okay, second one. Third one. Fourth one. And the last one. So I have given you 5 examples. Take your time. I'm giving you 1 minute of time in thinking, and you can also draw till then in your fair copy this one and think out of it that these figures are the examples of polygon or not, yes or no. And also please give yourself the reason also that if it is not a polygon, why it is not a polygon, and if it is a polygon, then why it is a polygon. Okay, it's very, very important to know about it, that if you are telling that this is not a polygon, then why it is not a polygon. Okay, so please take your time. I'm giving you 1 minute of time, think about it, and after that we will discuss that what are these kind of figures. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Now I can see there are the answers which I have got it right now. So let's discuss one by one all the answers about it. So the first one which I gave you is, this is obviously not a polygon. Now you must be telling that, ma'am, but it is simple also, ma'am, it is closed also, then why it is not a polygon? Now remember the definition. The polygon says that it should be simple, it should be closed, but also it should be only with the help of line segments. So beta, ye to line segment hai. This is also line segment, but this is not line. है ना, ये कोई line नहीं है, है ना? So this is not a polygon. So पहला वाला तो बेटा cancel हो गया. So I am putting a wrong mark in it. Okay. Now move on to the second one. Now second one has two things which are not considered in a polygon. First thing, it is not closed. This is an open figure. So पहली चीज तो open वाली cancel हो गई. Second thing, it is not made up of line segment. So this is again not a polygon. Now see this one. It is simple. It is also made up of line segment, but it is not closed. Again, it is an open figure, and you are knowing open figures are not considered in polygon. So this is also not a polygon. ठीक है, ये भी cancel हो गया. Now move on to D. Yes, D is a polygon. Why? It is simple, it is closed, and also it is made up of only line segments. So yes, it is a polygon. Okay, now move on to the last one. Now this you must be thinking, yes ma'am, it is not a polygon because it is simple, it is closed to, but it is not entirely made up of line segments. You can see this is not a line segment, है ना? आप लोग पढ़ चुके हो what is line segment, so this is not a line segment. That means this figure is also not a polygon. So I hope you all have understood about what is actually the polygon, how to identify which figures are polygon, which are not. Now let's understand exercise 4.2, which is based on polygons only. So first of all, the first question it is telling here is classify the following curve as open or closed. ठीक है, आपको ये बताना है कौन सा वाला ओपन है, कौन सा वाला क्लोज्ड है. So I am very sure आपको समझ में खुद से आ रहा होगा कि the first one is an open figure only. Okay, the second one, if you see, it is entirely closed. ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा closed है बेटा. So this is the B1 is a closed figure. This is open and the second one is closed. The third one, C1, you can see it is open again. Now move on to D. D, you can see it is also an closed, it is also a closed figure only. And last but not the least, it is also considered as closed figure only because the starting point and the finishing point is both are merged. So this is also a closed figure. So open and close also you can consider very properly that which are the open figure, which are the closed figure. So this is all about question number 1. Now question number 2 is telling here that you have to draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following: open curve and closed curve. अब देखो इसके लिए I am not going to help you in it because I have given you sufficient examples which can tell you which are open, which are closed. And here आपको केवल 2 diagrams बनाने हैं for open, 2 diagram बनाने हैं आपको for closed, and you can draw it by your own, 2 open diagrams and 2 closed diagrams. Okay, so do it by your own. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is that you have to draw a polygon and shade its interior. Now it is not written that you have to make any fixed kind of polygon. So again this choice becomes yours that which kind of figure you want to make it for polygon. So suppose I am making this polygon. Okay, now you can make it this kind of polygon as well. So remember, choice is yours, but remember, if you draw the polygon, as you all know that the polygon is made up of only line segments. So please keep in your mind that when you are drawing the polygon, it should be only made up of using line segments, and also take care of it that अगर आप line segment की बात कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब आपको scale ही use करनी है बेटा. Without scale, you cannot draw polygons. Remember it. Okay. So this is 2 polygons which I am drawing right now. Let me tell you what is interior, what is exterior, and what is on the polygon. Now remember, there are 3 basic words which are used now. First is interior. Interior का मतलब होता है बेटा when you take any of the polygon or any of the figure and you are talking about its interior. Interior का मतलब होता है ये वाला portion, okay, which are inside the figure. So this is called interior portion. Okay. Now what is about exterior? Exterior means ये वाला portion which I am shading right now. This is all about exterior. Exterior मतलब बहुत सारा part हो गया बेटा, है ना? Interior मतलब limited portion जो उसके अंदर होगा. Now move on to on the polygon, on the surface, on the region, on the figure. Now on का मतलब होता है उस figure के ऊपर. उस figure के ऊपर means the boundary line. This and this. ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब अगर मैंने ये कोई पॉइंट लिया या यहाँ कोई पॉइंट लिया या यहाँ कोई पॉइंट लिया, ये सारे हो गए आपके पास ऑन द पॉलीगन. ठीक है, इंटीरियर मतलब इनसाइड, एक्सटीरियर मतलब आउटसाइड, एंड ऑन द सरफेस, ऑन द रीजन मतलब एग्जैक्टली ऑन द बाउंड्री. ओके, द सेम वे अगर आपको इसको इंटीरियर शेड करना है तो यू विल बी शेडिंग लाइक दिस. Okay, this is all about interior. So now this is interior here. If I will be telling you what are exterior, so suppose I can draw it here, I can take any point here, I can take it point any here, I can take it any point here. So this is all about exterior. और अगर आपसे मैंने बोला कि मुझे चाहिए on the figure or I can tell it on the polygon, so here the points can be like this, point can be like this, point can be like this. Okay, so this is all about question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. Now question number 4 says that consider the given figure and answer the following question. Now students remember question number 4 में आपको figure पहले से दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? I'm drawing that figure again. The figure is like this. It's looking like a star. So this is the figure in question number 4. It is telling you have to consider this figure and answer the following question. It is asking, is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. So the first thing, yes, it is. Okay, so the first thing is, yes, it is a curve. Because as I have already told you, any kind of doodling will be considered as curve only. Now it is telling that is it closed? Now you can also see that from all the side it is closed, and also you cannot identify what was its starting point, कहाँ से इसने draw करना शुरू किया था, and कहाँ से इसने आपको क्या बोलते हैं, you can tell it that कहाँ पे इसने close किया था, कहाँ पे इसने end किया था. So all you can see is that it is a closed one. So you can say yes, it is closed too. It is closed too. Finished. Okay. This is all about question number 4. Now let's move on to question number 5, which is again related to a polygon and some examples of curve and only. So let's understand about question number 5 as well. Now students, question number 5 is basically, it is telling that you have to illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन, यहाँ there are 3 questions given, आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन के साथ एक डायग्राम बनाना है, and it is telling here that you have to draw, the first one is a closed curve which is not a polygon. आपको एक ऐसा कर्व बनाना है, ये क्लोज भी होना चाहिए बट पॉलीगन भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So we can take it now a closed one like this. आप अपने मन से भी डायग्राम बना सकते हो. I have drawn a closed one, but you are knowing it is surely not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments only. So this is closed, but it is not a polygon. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया आपका first वाला according to me. You can have your own example as well. I am telling according to me. आप अपने हिसाब से भी बेटा कोई भी रफ डायग्राम बना सकते हो, but it should be closed. And it should not be a line, it should not be a polygon. Now second one, an open curve made up of entirely of line segment. It means इस बार आपको क्या करना है, आपको बनाना है एक open polygon, you can call it open, sorry, curve. It should be entirely made up of line segments. ठीक है? So now you can see this, I have taken a curve and which is only made up of line segment, but it is not closed. You can see this, it is not closed, na? It is open one. So this is open and it is entirely made up of line segments. Now move on to the third one, a polygon with 2 sides. Now let's try a polygon with 2 sides. One side is this, second side is this. Now you can see, you also try it. Can you make a polygon with 2 sides? I am guaranteeing you that it is not possible. Remember, it is not possible to draw any polygon having 2 sides. Okay, so you also try it. I am giving you work for this one, that you try it out, that whether you are able to draw a polygon having 2 sides or not. That's all for today about exercise 4.2. Kindly complete this exercise on your fair copy properly. And don't forget to use a scale for any of the figure which you are drawing related to polygon.